And it's only 30 minutes away from our hotel, which is nice. To get in, you gotta go online and reserve a ticket to reserve your time slot. It's only $1, which is nice. And then you just apply for what time that you'd like to go, so they can kind of change the crowd that comes in and out. So we went at 9 whenever they first opened up, and there's not too many people, which is nice. It's actually kind of cold. Driving here, there's a lot of fog and a lot of mist.
They cut off all the trails, like some people call that bridge over there. Yeah, so we wanted to go up there too, take some photos, but too bad we can't. So now we're gonna leave. There's not really much else for us to do. So we're gonna get out of here, maybe find something else, you know, not enjoy nature.
We'll see where the road leads us. Here at Bridal Veil. And yeah, we're gonna see if this waterfall's gonna be any better than the previous one. Hopefully it is.
Yeah.
But there's a little walking trail too there, so let's see.
Ryan Little.
Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me because there's like water in the back, but we finally made it to this waterfall that's inhabited by nobody except for us. No, for the most part, it's just us. There's other people that came by too. It's called, what is it called, babe? Bridal Falls? Yeah, Bridal Veil Falls. Beautiful. It's like, I don't know, in the forest. So it's not like a touristy area. It is, but not as much as the last one we went to. Me and Lily climbed on this big rock.
We did it!
Yeah. So we were down there where our bags are, and now we're up here. Now what we gonna do now, babe?
Go eat.
Yeah, it's so sad we gotta leave this beautiful place.
It is, but it was definitely a hidden gem for us.
Oh heck yeah! I mean, and now we know it's close, so we can come here tomorrow if we want. But yeah, we'll see y'all when we eat some food.
Oh,
We getting hungry.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, right now.
So we made it here to Bahn.
Oh yeah.
Fusion comfort food, I think with a modern twist from what it seems like. But we got some chicken wings.
Oh yeah.
And then I got their lemongrass chicken banh mi. And it comes with little shrimp crackers. And then P got caramelized pork and egg banh mi. This is kind of interesting because it's like a deconstructed banh mi that you
Make it yourself? You just put it together yourself?
That you put it together yourself and then you dip it in the broth. It sounds really good. So let's hopefully eat it. I'm gonna try with the chicken though.
Yeah, try that chicken. Looks good though. Looks like Korean fried chicken to me.
Ooh, hot.
Careful.
So it's really good, lightly battered. It's a little crunchy, not too crunchy, not like the Korean fried chicken, but this is their house seasoning, and it tastes a little bit of fish sauce, but not too much. The chicken inside is really juicy. Overall, the flavor is really, really good. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. It's bothering me.
Tastes like chicken. That's what it reminds you of, huh?
It's like fish sauce and soy sauce combined. That's really good. Really good. Now I'm gonna try banh mi. Try to stuff the filling in a little bit more. I already can see it's falling out. Add some sriracha. Nothing else to stay in.
Just do the best you can, man. You good?
As you can see, the chicken is really thick. We didn't have too much flavor to me. So I guess that's a good thing. It's not bad. I wish the pickled carrots and daikon were smaller because it was kind of choking me whenever I ate one. It was too big of like a hard texture. All of a sudden whenever you try to chew, especially past the baguette, it's really, really chewy. But it is good. But so far not bad. I'm still on the hunt for a good banh mi in Portland.
So I got the caramelized pork with egg banh mi, and it's like deconstructed. So you gotta put it together, put it yourself, you know, put it back together. So I'm just trying to pack it here. You got some tomatoes in a banh mi? It's not, okay, whatever. I'm down for that.
Forget you have two, so you gotta evenly disperse it.
Do that. Now I wish the daikon and carrots were a little thinner, like a regular banh mi. We'll make it work. Some cilantro.
You're putting everything on that one banh mi. I told you to use it wisely.
I am using it wisely, girl.
Yeah, on one.
It's okay. Now I gotta put the pork on there. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. And the pork is
Put it in there.
breaks down pretty easy.
Boy.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Stuck. Get in there, boy. Alright.
And you're supposed to dip in the broth too.
Can I put sriracha?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it without sriracha first. Oh, pretty fat sandwich, look at that. Now I'm gonna dip it in there. Oh yeah. So the broth, super rich, very flavorful. You can taste a lot of the pork, obviously. The egg is done really well. Like a little crisp at, you know, the edges of it. And the pork, really tender. Like, put the fork in there, it breaks apart really well. The baguette was nice. I love the baguette. It's like soft on the inside and a little crunchy on the outside, but not too crunchy where it cuts the top of your mouth, you know, or the side of your lips. But overall, it's really good. Really good. Might be one of my new favorites. I might get another sandwich too, because I don't think this is gonna fill me.
I don't think this is gonna fill me neither.
So,
but we'll see.
yeah. Anyways, after this, we're gonna get some
dessert,
ice, right? So the spot that we were gonna go get some shaved ice is closed. It's out for lease, and we didn't know that. It didn't say in the Google thing that she looked at.
Google or Yelp, and it's sad because they saw the banner that says the soft grand opening.
Yep.
So what the heck?
It lied. Well, anyways, we're just gonna go to the go to the gas station because Lily needs to use the restroom really bad, and we'll go on from there and see what happens. At the Asian store, and Lily decided to show me something.
This is what I am.
Focus. Come on, there it goes. Doesn't even want to focus.
Too close?
There you go, white pastry.
This is me.
Crazy. So she thinks everything's cute here,
It's
apparently.
funny, look. I'm gonna try one.
What is it?
I don't know, it's
Let me see.
There's English. Big Boss Hot and Sour Instant Vermicelli. I don't know.
So this guy is the big boss right here?
I guess so.
Looks like you, babe.
Yeah.
It's good.
Even this one's me.
That's her. Looking like Kirby.
At least I'm like happy. You're grumpy. This one is Big Boss Broad Noodle Chili Oil flavor.
You gotta try both.
Yeah.
I'm down. Let's do it. So I was looking at some snacks, and I saw this at the glimpse of my eye, and I'm like, what the heck is that? Oh, shrimp. Lily's dirty though. She's thinking it's something else.
You.
Yeah. An oyster bar, yeah. So we got
oysters.
no oysters. We got shrimp po' boy with some fries. We got, what is it?
Fried okra.
Fried okra.
And then it's crawfish mixed with pimento cheese stuffed inside of bread.
That's interesting. You try that one? How was it?
The bread's good. The bread melts. It's not chewy at all. But it's a lot of bread.
It is a lot of bread.
So it overpowers the filling inside. I can really taste the filling. But the bread's good. So that works.
I'm gonna try the okra.
Okra's nice and crunchy.
Pretty good? Alright, nice.
Yeah, what'd you get?
So I got the shrimp po'. That's what I'm gonna try now. It looks pretty good. I think the shrimp's deep fried. Alright, so the po' boy, shrimp po' boy is pretty good. The shrimp is cooked well, it's crunchy, and I like the sauce in there. I think it's spicy mayo, some mustard, and little vegetables, you know, your basics, tomato, and some pickles.
Lettuce?
Pickles and lettuce, yeah. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. Makes me miss the po' boy in OKC. Yeah, Lily took me to. Lily's mom actually recommended that.
Yeah, my mama. So shout out to mama.
But yeah, anyways, we're gonna finish this, and it's gonna be the end of the night, end of the vlog. So hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and stay tuned for the next one. Hope you guys have a good week.
See ya.